Welcome back to Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 KTM 1290. With its striking design and cutting-edge technology, this bike is making waves in the adventure segment. Let's explore what makes this motorcycle stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 KTM 1290 features a bold, aggressive stance with sharp lines and a lightweight frame. The LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also add to its modern aesthetic. Available in multiple color schemes, the bike allows riders to express their style while tackling any terrain. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 1290 is a powerful 1301cc V-twin engine, delivering an exhilarating 160 horsepower. With advanced ride-by-wire technology, the throttle response is sharper than ever, making acceleration seamless. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight trails, the engine offers the versatility and power you need. Technology and features. The 2025 model is equipped with a full-color TFT display, providing all essential information at a glance. Enhanced connectivity features include Bluetooth integration and navigation support. Safety is also a priority, with cornering ABS and traction control systems that adapt to various riding conditions, ensuring confidence on every ride. Suspension and handling. With its state-of-the-art WP suspension, the 1290 offers superior handling and comfort. The adjustable components allow riders to customize the setup according to their preferences, whether for off-road adventures or long-distance touring. The bike's agility is impressive, making it easy to tackle sharp corners and rough terrains. Comfort and ergonomics. The ergonomics on the 2025 KTM 1290 are designed for long rides, featuring a comfortable seat and upright riding position. Wind protection has been improved, ensuring less fatigue on those extended journeys. With options for heated grips and cruise control, this bike is ready for any adventure. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 KTM 1290 is a remarkable blend of power, technology, and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the adventure scene, this motorcycle offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe Bike Buzzin' channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the 2025 KTM 1290? Until next time, keep riding. Thanks for tuning Bike Buzzin' channel.